In this problem, we are subtracting four-digit numbers, 8,060 minus 7,619. And you can see some of the numbers on top are smaller than the numbers on the bottom. So that means we're going to need to regroup. So we'll do this step by step. And really, you're going to start here on the left, or sorry, on the right in the ones column and just work your way column by column over, doing the same process each time until you're done. The first step is to make sure they're lined up so that the ones place is above the ones place, the tens place is above the tens place, etc. We've got that taken care of. And then the second is to start with the ones column. The second thing to do is start with the ones columns and try to subtract. I can't do 0 minus 9 because 0 is smaller than 9. So I have to borrow. So I'm going to take a 1 and put it up here. That 1 you should think of this as in front of the 0, so this becomes a 10. And then if I took a 1, I've got to, and added it here, I've got to take it away over here. So this 6 becomes a 5. So that's the regrouping. Now I can do the subtraction. So 10 minus 9, well, that's just 1. So that 1 goes down there. Now I've got 5 minus 1. This I can do without regrouping. 5 is greater than 1, so 5 minus 1 is our next step. That equals 4, so the 4 goes down here. All right. Next, we have 0 minus 6. 0 is smaller than 6, so I have to regroup. Again, I'm going to take a 1 and add it in here to make a 10, and then I've got to take that 1 away from here. Once I've done the regrouping, I can do the subtraction. So 10 minus 6 is 4. So that goes here. And my last column, I have 7 minus 7. Well, 7 minus 7, that's 0. When you get a 0, you don't need to write it down if it's the last number. 0441 wouldn't make sense. It's really 0 thousands, 400s, 4 tens, and a 1. So we don't write the 0,000. It's just 441. So actually, we are done. So that is how to subtract some four-digit numbers with regrouping.